Hi, I'm Bill Newman with Yealink Network Technologies, and today we're here at the Exertis Almo E4 event. Today we're showing our MVC S90 with the new and improved interactive touch panel for control. This is a multi-camera system that'll go up to 9 separate cameras, integrate with all third-party DSPs as well as our own peripherals. We're also showing our Android-based MTRs, as you see with the A10 for your huddle and focused rooms, the A20 for the medium-sized rooms. We also have an A30 for slightly larger medium-sized spaces. We're also showing our line of headsets and personal UC devices. So you can find more information on this at yealink.com. Thank you and have a great event.